All right, here we go. 23 Topps Inception Plus Topps Chrome Update Hobby Box PYT 377. Again, make sure you guys check those item descriptions on eBay for the details of this month's sweepstakes. We're going to end it with the Inception box, so 7 cards per box here. Should have 1 auto or autograph relic card. You guys are going to guess the last auto out of this box. We should also have 1 auto in the Update Series Hobby Box, 4 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. Oops. All right, there's our Update hobby. Let's get our Inception box open here as well. Again, we'll save this pack for last. There it is. Set it aside there. There's our empty box. And good luck, everybody. Stuart Fairchild, Julio Rodriguez, Future Stars, Garrett Mitchell on the Refractor Rookie. We have Hobie Harris, Mason Miller. Wow, our auto's quick. Zach Thompson's going to be our auto out of 499, 249 out of 499. Doesn't look like we were going to get very many guesses anyway. If it wasn't Churio or Volpe, chances are we weren't going to get someone to guess correctly. There's Mitch Garver. This all set in this pile. Those will get top loaded, but later. Top load what's in this pile before we recap. There's Juan Yepes. Gunnar Henderson. Garrett Stubbs. Logan Ohape on the Prism rookie debut. Cody Bellinger. Grayson Rodriguez. Candelario out of a 299. 94 out of 299 going to the Twins. Really cool looking card there. Gunnar Henderson on the Action Stars. Brett Wisely. Vinny Pasquantino. Casey Schmidt. Grant Anderson. Eddie Rosario. Oh, I guess that wasn't the last though. We're doing it out of Inception anyway. So you guys still have time to get an guess in if you guys are watching. Gregory Soto. Miguel Amaya, Matt Olson on the All-Star Refractor, Mass Engelert, Pablo Lopez, Alvis Diaz, Josh Young, Kobe Allard, Brewer Hicklin, Owen Miller, Gavin Stone, rookie refractor there. Blake Soball. We got 1 break after this. Our Topps Chrome black full case box. Casey Legumina and Tyler Alexander. Titans of Aaron Judge. Matt Mervis on his debut. Corey Julks, Sam Hilliard, Ronald Acuna on the Action Stars, J.J. Bleday, rookie. Jared Schuster, Bobby Miller, Matt Reynolds, Edward Julian, Jeter Downs, Mason Miller, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. All-Star Game, a refractor. JP France. Blake Perkins, Brett Phillips, Garrett Cole, Vince Velasquez for the Pirates. Levi Stout. Yeah, those guesses, I'm a guaranteed baseball break. Anything else is a bonus. Kyle Lewis, Danny Mendick, and Garrett Action, a rookie right there. Or Acton. Garrett Acton, not Action. Again, this pile will get top loaded here before we ship. This one I'll top load before we recap. And we got a sleeve pile and then a base pile. Noah Syndergaard. Logan Allen rookie. Titans of Julio Rodriguez. Logan Ohape base debut. James McCann. Matthew Batten. Shohei Ohtani on the Action Stars. Brandon DeFat. Jason Hayward, Matt Mervis, Nick Fortes, Tommy Pham. Still got our Inception. We still have our auto that we're doing guesses for, so get your guesses in for the player on that last auto, Man Choi. Brandon Rocaccio. Corbin Carroll, All-Star Game refractor right there. Nice hit for Arizona. Cole Reagans. Christian Pache, Masataka Yoshida, Mike Trout, Jesse Winker. We got about 5 or 6 packs left here. Aldemas Diaz, Nolan Gorman, Juan Yepes on the Prism. We have Gabriel Moreno, Joey Wendell. Negative refractor here of a reverse refractor. What do they call that? Kyle Lewis. Action Star Bo Bichette. Wandy Peralta. 3 packs left. Then we'll top load what we have, and then we'll do our Inception pack. Oswaldo Peraza. Ryu. Adley Rushman on the rookie refractor. Hunter Brown. Bryce Turang, Johnny Brito, Pete Alonso. We have Jared Kelnick. And our last of the update series packs, we got Casey Schmidt, Joey Ortiz, the Prism rookie, Jose Altuve, and Ezekiel Tovar. Let's top load these. With these top load, we still have our Inception pack. There's going to be 7 cards in there. There should be 1 auto per box, per pack. That is coming up right after this top loading. Then our last break of the night, Topps Chrome Black full case coming up. So if you're in that break, stick around. That is coming up here at the end of the night. Got a couple more here to top load, then we'll do our Inception pack. I think we are breaking again on Wednesday this week. Then we'll probably do Sunday. I was going to do this Sunday, but it's Easter Sunday. I kind of forget when these holidays fall. But here's our Inception pack, 7 cards. One of those cards should be an auto. Good luck to everybody who's got those guesses in. Move all this up a little. We start with Bobby Witt Jr., Walker Buehler, Shea Langoliers. Oh, there's our auto. It's Austin Riley. That is 22 out of 75 on the on-card auto. Austin Riley for the Braves. Juan, yep. I do not remember what we hit out of there, but you can go back on this live stream and you can pull that break up. It was a couple breaks ago. Or you can wait to the end of the stream and play it back, or till we post it tomorrow as an individual break. Here's a green Jose Altuve. Clayton Kershaw out of 75. 46 out of 75 of Clayton Kershaw. That is going to the Dodgers. And we ended with a Cole Reagans rookie right there. Let's do our recap. Out of 75, that's Clayton Kershaw. Jose Altuve on the green. Austin Riley was our auto, and that was out of 75. Garrett Mitchell, a refractor rookie. The Prism rookie, Ohape. Candelario out of 299. Silver Corbin Carroll All-Star Game, a refractor All-Star Game. Kyle Lewis on the negative refractor. Adley Rutschman, debut rookie cup refractor. Joey Ortiz, Prism rookie. And Zach Thompson, the rookie auto out of 499 for the Cardinals. All right, so that one does it here for this one. Get these off the table. We're going to do our case break coming up next. Let me get that list pulled up. We did have some teams left for that one. I don't know if that one is sold. They're sold out yet or not. We have the Giants left in this one. I don't know if anyone took them. Let me get the list up for Topps Chrome Black. So bear with me. Oh, I did not put the title in this one. This was the Inception Topps Chrome. Coming up next. We got one team left in this one as well. That is the Colorado Rockies. So if anybody wants the Rockies, it seems like we've hit some decent Rockies in this break. That list is updated. Here. Anybody want the Rocky, or this is the Giants, sorry. Dang it. Did it again. Give me a quick second here. Let me update this list. Sorry, let me mess with this. We got the Rockies are available. Let me update what the rest of the teams are. I had it on the wrong list again. Let me see, we got something messed up. Oh, the Giants. That's Cleveland. I think that's what was. Let's go. Okay, the Nationals. I don't know what we got going on here with this list.